Hi guys, hey, I just wanted to do a short video to show you a tool that I made for removing field coil screws in starters and generators. Occasionally I see people post questions on forums and on Facebook and how do you get these screws out because they're extremely tight, or how to put them back in again. So I want to show you a little rig I made up. I use my arbor press here, and I've got just a couple of pieces. So first, this is a piece of just a cradle that I made out of a piece of U channel, and this goes into the arbor press. This little piece here is just a spacer. It locks into the gap right down there. And the other piece is this funny looking little square. It's just a couple of pieces of angle iron I welded together with a plate, and then I welded a small ball bearing right in the center of it, right here, just welded from the inside. And this goes on the ram, and I'll show you how this works. It's got a thumb screw for tightening it. So I'm going to lower the ram a little bit. This is just going to slip on here, and thumb screw holds it in place so the ball bearing is facing down. So let me place this is just a demonstration generator body for a Ford Model A, but it doesn't matter whether it's Jeep or Ford or anything. It's the same principle. So I set the body in the cradle here with the screw underneath the ram, and then I have a 1/2 inch drive breaker bar and one of these really heavy duty screwdriver tips. You can order these online. This is a let's see, this is a Proto 5408A screwdriver tip, 1/2 inch drive, snaps on there. So what I do is I put the fit this into the screw hole, and then on the back of the drive, you notice there's a hole here, and that's what the ball bearing goes into to hold it in place, keep it steady, straight up and down. So I fit it in the screw slot, and then lower the ram down, then put some pressure with my lever up here. Sorry, it's a little bit of the pressure out of the picture. Hold downward pressure, and then just simply turn the tool, and that unscrews the pole shoe screw. And same thing for reassembling it, put it back together. This way it holds it, locks it down. The cradle keeps the generator from turning. The downward pressure of the ram keeps the screwdriver tip from slipping out of the screw, and it lets you tighten or loosen it nice and tight. So that's how it works. Very simple. Using a common arbor press. You could do this with a hydraulic press, I guess, also. I've got a Dake 3-ton press here, but very simple. So really, it's just two parts you got to make. I mean, this is just the cradle. You can make it out of any kind of scrap you got laying around. Just something that'll lock it into the base of the press, and then rigging up this little piece just so I can have the little ball bearing on the end to hold the tool straight up and down, and it pivots on that. So that's it. Real simple little tool. Just wanted to share that with you. Hope you all find this helpful. Take care.